Perfect. Yeah, right there. Well, no, I feel a little bit more congestion on the right, though.
Yeah, it's always on this side.
You're saying in the right side here as well?
Yes, sometimes.
The left side feels great.
Yeah,
You're
I
right.
never have any issues.
You're
there.
right.
It's always the
You're right. Do you cross your legs when you work?
Yeah.
You know, like if you're sitting there, right, and you're like this and leaning.
Yeah, that's literally
This
what I
will
do.
do.
I'm like this.
Right. So this will do it as well. And then, whoosh, I know. Boom. See, I'm trying to correct it by going like this and pushing. I'm over exaggerating, but that is correction.
Mm-hmm. Oh, so that would be like me sitting up straight.
I'm overcorrecting it. Yeah, I'm seeing if your spine can do it, number one. And it can.
Mm-hmm.
That's good. Okay, you don't want it to be stuck. Some people, I try to move them and the spine doesn't go.
Mm-hmm.
Your spine does,
Yeah.
okay? So this isn't permanent.
Okay.
You can manipulate this, we call it.
Mm-hmm.
How about here? These are the two that I kind of felt.
No, it's not sore. I feel it a little bit more, but...
And then nothing in the low back? You're good down
No.
here?
Yeah.
Okay. I feel it there. Does the neck make you nervous? A little bit?
A little. Just to hear it. That's the only part.
Should we wait till the end to do it, or should we get it over with now?
No, we should get it over with.
You want to get it over with now?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get it over with then. Let's do it.
Okay.
Chin up, look up. Perfect.
Oh my god. That was crazy.
It was a lot.
That was so much.
Perfect. Look back. Okay. This is the stuck one I felt in the beginning. Are you okay?
Mm-hmm.
Look up, look up, look up.
Like that?
No, or you're gonna look kind of like up.
Oh, okay.
Yes. I don't want to get your ear. Oh, there they go.
God. That was loud.
It was loud. Hopefully that picked all that up. Oh, nice.
Oh my gosh.
Nice. Look at that though.
Yeah.
Oh, so much better. There you go. You okay over there?
Mhm.
I'm stuck.
Oh. Me, yeah, I'm fine.
I'm kidding, girl. No, she's over there like, oh. I'm teasing you. Perfect. Come on up. Face this way. Now, I'm not done with your back. That was just your neck, and I didn't even do it that much. The massage part. And take it back and see how it feels now.
Oh, it feels so much better when I go like this. I don't feel it as much.
Okay. When you get in the steering wheel kind of like unlocked, yeah, you start using your neck better.
Yeah.
So yeah, right here, that's the apex. Does that hurt real bad?
Just a little sore.
Okay. Deep breath in.
Oh, that was really loud.
Yeah, that's the one that's like, oh, real swollen. Okay, here's the next set, okay? Deep breath in. There she is. Perfect. Excellent. I'm gonna pull here. Nope, nothing there. Feels good. It's all the way down to here. Not sure if you can feel that. It's like right
Oh, a little bit, yeah.
right there. That's the bottom of it. If I press here, any pain?
No.
I'm just stuck here. Again, stop me if anything's real sharp. Is that tender?
Yeah.
Okay. Feel that one right there? That's the bottom. Oh, I know there's more. Doing okay? I'm gonna slowly get this out. Just keep breathing. I'll watch for flinches. It's just this rib here. It's out into here. Even near. I'm like, no, I'm okay, okay. Almost gone. Exhale, exhale, that's it. Come on, that's it. There she goes. Okay. Yeah, can you tell the difference? Here's the left. Oh. And then here's the right.
Yeah, it's so much more like tighter over here.
Because it's this entire, you know how you're sitting working, because it is really into this. Take a deep breath in and then out. I'm going to bounce. What do you think?
I felt it a little bit.
Yeah, I'm gonna get it again. Let's try it again, just as long as it's not sharp.
Okay.
Deep breath in. Come on, ribbies. That's it. Almost. You almost did it. Yes. I'll check under here, just real briefly.
Okay.
So for this one, yeah, both arms up and over.
Like that?
Yes, perfect. Yeah, it's still on the right. Clean that out. We don't want the nerve glued to the skin. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So you want to make sure I can roll it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I don't want that to get stuck.
Yeah, that's really sore. I didn't even notice that until you, like, touched it.
Oof. Sorry.
It's okay.
Jeez.
Oh
That
my
did
God.
it did work, but I was like, oh. There it goes. Excellent. I'm just gonna check.
Okay.
Shake, 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 shake. Okay, there's nothing left. Perfect. Ooh, crunchies. Here we go. There she goes.
Oh.
You all right?
Yeah, it's crazy you can, like, feel it moving.
Doing okay?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna go up into here. Perfect. Nice. The adjustment really cleared most of it out. Doing okay?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. There she goes. There she goes. Nice. Excellent. Oh, you did it.
Okay.
Phew. Done. Done. You okay?
Yeah.
That's intense. Nice though. Much better. Okay,
Yeah, it feels better. Yeah, it doesn't feel as tight at all.
And look down for me. Perfect. How's the neck feeling?
Feels better.
Oh yeah. And then just take this arm and like reach over and grab and down. I'm gonna really open it up. You are bruising here. I'm gonna get all of this. Should be good for a little bit. At least 3 to 6 months.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, I feel that. Doing okay?
Mm-hmm.
I can show you where it's bruising a little bit. A second here, I'm gonna do the other side. You can relax the arm down, yeah. And be over here. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Same thing. It's like underneath, there's the edge of your wing.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and it's like right underneath it. It lives like underneath that scapula there. There you go. We all got it. Like, don't be like, what's wrong with me? No, we all have it. Oh, there it is. How much more? You got it? You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, done. Done. Let's do the neck. Look down for me. Okay. I clean that way. Yeah. I want to make sure I get this one. Doing okay?
Mm-hmm.
I know it's a nervy one. Up in the corner.
Oh yeah, I feel like it was way worse last time.
This is all I could pull out.
Wow.
So it lasted?
Yeah.
You just have like a couple little spots,
Mm-hmm.
you know, in here. And then elbow back and towards mine. Look straight ahead.
Oh, sorry.
No, it's okay.
Like turning.
It's okay. Elbow back. Perfect.
That wasn't what I was expecting.
That's why I was like, I don't want you to be here and then pull you.
Yeah. I'm like looking to the side.
It's okay. It's all right. Lean away. I'm gonna get your wrist. Perfect.
Did it crack?
Yeah. Lean away. See?
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
It did.
it did. It's just
Just a little one.
like a baby one. It's nothing. You don't really want this one moving around too much. Now elbow back. Go. And more. Go. Okay, good. I just wanted to make sure I got it all. No, we got it. I got you. Perfect. Lean away. See, this wrist is like really loose. So I'm not gonna go. Boom. So I'm gonna bring the shoulder down. This stuff cracking already. Oh my god. She's like, what are you doing to me? Maybe. Let's see. I got you. Oh. Perfect. There's that. Arch yourself back for me. Perfect. Oh, there it is
Wow.
again. Perfect, on your back. This is the pubic symphysis, so we didn't do this one last time, but it's in the groin region. My hands stay here the whole time.
Okay.
But you're balancing the pelvis out. There's 3 joints. So I did the 2 in the back. There's 1 here in the front. That one.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so it's like right between the legs. So I warn people, you don't have to have it done. But my hands don't go anywhere near there. They're just here.
Yeah. Okay.
It's just a release, like kind of like when you're doing one of those. It's just a relief of pressure.
Oh.
A little bit. A little tiny bit.
I wasn't expecting it to even do anything. Wow.
Yeah, just a little bit more on the right than the left. More? No, that's it. Perfect.
Wow.
Yeah,
I didn't even know there was anything
I know.
there.
People that like will do these and they'll do these, but I'm like, yeah, you got to get that one.
Like, can I stand up?
Yes, yes. Like, I'm gonna stretch you, but like, do you feel? Go ahead. Especially that right shoulder.
Yeah, I feel good.
This is how you undo it. Now, can you make it all the way down? All the way back. Yeah, right there. You're putting your arm back like this. You understand you're turning. Like come forward a little bit so that your leg is flush with the wall. I don't think you can reach over here. Yes. Understand? Like a yoga pose almost. I want you to squeeze this. Yes. Now you can do triangle and all the yoga poses, but sometimes this feels better.
Okay.
Do you see that? Yeah. And I push. You know, but.
Like this?
Yeah, and then you're pushing your arm. You know what I'm saying? You're using it to push.
Oh, yeah, like that.
That's it. I know it's a weird.
It's like a weird angle, but I do feel it.
Yeah, I want you to open up that side.